Hello, everybody. This is Mr. West from the Mastery Smithfield location. On this episode of our life skill Zoom lesson video, we are going to be going over belief in the universe. So, belief in the universe starts with some basic beliefs that we know to be true from our own life experience. And these are some of the rules that help us become great black belts and great leaders in life. Now, belief is having the yes, I can attitude. And the yes, I can attitude is the foundation for us to develop any type of skill. You see, to succeed in life, you have attitude and you have skills. Attitude is what we think while we're doing things, but skills are what we're going to be using to achieve success and to help others. Skills take practice. They take many repetitions over time, which is one of the things we'll discuss during our pillars. And in order for somebody to do something thousands of times, in order to make it a great skill, you need to have a good attitude. Because after a few tries, especially if the first few tries are not successful, we start to doubt ourselves and we lose belief in ourselves. We lose that yes, I can attitude. So today, we're going to be talking about belief in ourselves, but even belief in the universe. And some of the rules that have helped me and helped our other instructors and helped our other black belt leaders become successful and great leaders as well. So let's go over belief in the universe together today. Try to follow along and read with me. So belief is having the yes, I can attitude. If you're following along at home, say, yes, I can. Come on, guys, even stronger. Say, yes, I can. That's more like it. All right, team, repeat after me. Belief in the universe. We have belief in ourselves, belief in others, belief in society, and our final level of belief is belief in the universe. Life is so simple when you simply follow the rules. That seems like something easy to say, but it means a lot. Think of if everybody did exactly what they were supposed to do, wouldn't the world be a better place? Hi, Anthony. So if everybody did what they were supposed to do, wouldn't that help everybody be better? If I did the right thing, if you did the right thing, if our neighbors did the right thing, wouldn't that be better for everybody? Yes, it would. It makes everything better. It makes everybody happier. It makes everybody stronger. So here are some rules about the universe that help us be better. I'll share it right here so you guys can say it along with me. First of all, it's important to understand the universe is not you, but rather you are an important part of the universe. Likewise, we must understand there are many different rules that govern the universe, and when we understand these rules, we will better understand the natural consequences of our attitudes, our thoughts, and our actions. So that means when you have a good attitude, that helps everybody also have a good attitude. When you have a bad attitude, what does that help other people have?
It helps other people have no trust in themselves.
Very good. And what if we do the right thing? Will that help other people do the right thing?
Yes, they will follow you.
What if we do the wrong thing? What might happen?
Then they'll follow you and they'll do bad things.
We'll do the wrong way. And then what happens in our future?
If we're being good or bad.
Well, if we do the wrong thing, do we have a good future or a bad future?
Bad future.
What if we learn now to do the right thing and have the right attitude and the right thoughts and the right moves and the right actions?
We'll have a good future.
Absolutely. Anthony, you are a rock star, sir. All right, let's get back to our reading. Hello. What's your name?
Dominic.
All right, so we have Anthony and Dominic. Thanks for joining me today.
My name is Dominic Jefferson.
My name is Ryan Anthony West the first. All right. Say rule of attraction.
Rule of attraction.
That means that similar things attract each other. That means if we have negative thoughts, it's likely we'll have negative results. If we have positive thoughts, we'll probably have positive results. So if you have to break a board, since we do martial arts, if you think to yourself, I can't break that board, what do you think will happen?
You don't believe in yourself?
You think the board will break if you don't believe in yourself?
No.
If you think, I will break that board,
And
you'll probably break it.
You have more belief in yourself. The more belief you have in yourself, the more things it seems like you can do.
Absolutely. And you know, Anthony, even if we believe we can break the board, does that mean it breaks right away, or do we just believe we will break it someday?
I believe we will break it someday.
Right, because sometimes it doesn't work right away, but if you believe in yourself, you'll keep on trying and trying and trying until you succeed, which is one of our pillars, one of my favorite words, determination. All right, next one. You know what this one says right here? Rule of cause and?
Those are small. I can't really see it.
Sorry there, Anthony. It says rule of cause and effect. So for every cause, there's an effect, and for every effect, there is a cause. This means that everything happens for a reason, and there's a direct relationship between what we do and what happens to us. Absolutely everything we say, think, do, or don't do has a consequence. What we give, we shall receive, and the more we put in the life, the greater our rewards will be. That means the more you give, the more you get. So if you give a lot of respect, what will you get? You get respect.
You get respect.
Yeah. If you give a lot of energy and effort and love, what will you get back?
With a lot of effort, energy, and love.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. If you're always helping other people be stronger, what will you get?
I will get to be stronger like others.
Absolutely.
I think the lesson here you're trying to teach me is you get treated the way other people, you want to be treated the way other people treat you.
Yeah, and you know, that's a great way to show respect. But yeah, what you give is what you get in life. And that works on the negative side though, too. You know, if I give dishonesty, if I tell lies, what am I going to get back?
You're going to get lies.
Will I get stronger that way?
No, nobody will believe you.
And I won't get smarter that way either. All right, next. Let's move on.
Okay.
Rule of polarity. Everything has a positive and a negative side to it. This means for every blessing, we have a price to pay. For every negative experience, there's a positive lesson we learn. You know, when I was younger, there was one martial arts test that I didn't try my best. And my instructor told me I wasn't ready to get my new belt.
Thank you.
Was I upset about that?
No, you can keep on trying. I mean, you might not get it the first time, but after you keep trying, you might achieve.
Well, you're a smarter and stronger man than I was, Mr. Anthony. When I didn't get my belt the first time, I was real sad. I cried and I got upset. And even though it hurt, I learned that I can always try again. I learned that winners never quit. So something bad happened, but I learned a positive lesson.
That's part of the student creed.
Yes, sir. And another thing was like video games. Do you like to play video games? I do too.
Yeah, I play video games too. I like playing Fortnite.
Well, I like to play them, but when I play the video game, it might be fun. But when I play that video game, what am I missing out on? What else could I be doing that maybe would make me be better?
Maybe
ABC Mouse.
Okay, I could be doing something else that makes me smarter. Maybe if I'm playing that video game, I'm not reading, so I might not be making my brain stronger. Or if I'm playing that video game, I'm not exercising or practicing my martial arts moves, so I'm missing out on making my body stronger. Now, should you play a video game when you have the time?
something
Yes.
stronger.
Say it again, buddy.
You're making something stronger while playing video games.
Fingers. Yeah. But when we do some things, we miss out on other things. So we need to make sure we have the right balance in our life. All right, let's move on. Next one. The rule of harmony. Every one of us is a part of a greater whole, the universe. This means when we harm others, we in fact harm ourselves.
And when
And this is why it's so important to obey what is right. Because every time we do a good deed, we're making the whole world a better place. It works the other way, though. If we do something wrong, we make everything around us a little worse. So we want to play our part to help everybody around us be better by us being better first. Okay, we got one more. The last one. Rule of evolution. Everything is constantly changing. In a world of constant change, it's crucial to pay attention, remain open to learning, so that we can adapt to the ever-changing situations, circumstances, and challenges we find in our lives. This way, we're better prepared to succeed in life. The rules of the universe keep it in perfect balance. The greatest leaders in history of humanity have all understood and adhered to these rules. To become excellent human beings and leaders that will make a difference in this world, we must live by these rules. Of course, this is not always an easy task. The price to pay may be high, but the reward is immense. When we believe in the universe and follow its rules, we will certainly attain success in our lives. So one of the things in regards to the rule of evolution is that the one thing that I've heard is the one thing that will always be the same will be things changing. Things are always going to change. That's why even in your martial arts class, we teach you something called Dojo Genius, which is a way to help our brain think and adapt faster and be more creative to come up with solutions to problems. Myself, the other instructors, all of Mastery, and your parents would love to prepare you for every problem that you're going to face in the future. But there are problems and challenges that we're going to face that we don't even know exist yet. So the best thing we can do is not always show you exactly what to do, but how to be a problem solver. And some of these rules of the universe, if we use them, will help us make better decisions and can help us solve problems on our own. So in the future, when there's a new problem that nobody saw, maybe you're the one that can come up with a solution. So you can continue to learn, grow, and succeed.
I have a question.
Yes, go for it.
If nobody knows about the problem, how will you figure out a solution if you don't even know about it?
Well, the more we are aware in our life, Anthony, the more problems we see before they become big problems. Your parents have you doing a lesson on Saturday morning to learn about life skills and belief so that when you're older and you face a challenge, you're ready for it. Your parents don't know what challenge you might have to face, but they're having you do something today. This morning, you're spending time with me instead of playing Fortnite. But the time we're spending together hopefully makes your brain, your heart, and your body a little stronger. So when you're older and you face a problem, you'll have the belief to do the right thing. Make your parents proud. Make them worry a little less. So they don't know what problems you're going to face, but they're trying to make you as strong as they can today, Anthony. So in the future, you're ready for it. And any challenge you face, you can overcome it.
I mean, my mom does have anxiety, but
Well, by you doing the lessons today, I know she's trying to help you be stronger than her. Even with my son, I want him to be stronger than me. Your parents want you to be stronger than them. That's why you're doing what you're doing today with us. And that's why you train in martial arts. All right, I need your help for this part, Anthony. It's time to go over our pillars. Can you help me? And we have a bunch of kids that are going to watch this video after, and you're going to be a leader for them too. All right, so put down whatever delicious drink you have, and let's try some moves. Stand up with me. Let's go. Stand like a leader. Say, yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And put your hands together. Say, trust.
Trust,
Say, consistency.
consistency,
Consistency means you do something over and over again. If you over and over and over again are awesome, will you trust yourself to be awesome?
Yes.
Yeah, 'cause you do it all the time. If over and over and over again you're lazy, you can trust yourself to be.
Lazy.
We don't want that. So everyone say trust,
Trust.
consistency,
Consistency.
a dream.
Dream.
Dream means anything is possible if you can see it in your mind. You can become a black belt. You
You
can
can't
become
fly. I
Okay.
want that.
Or
I want
maybe-
that reality.
maybe you invent flying machines like real life falcon wings. So dream is having the idea. Vision, say vision.
Efficient.
Vision is making up the steps so the dream comes true. Let's do it again, Anthony. Say trust,
Trust.
consistency,
Consistency.
dream,
Dream.
vision,
Vision.
determination.
Determination.
Determination means after 1,000 tries, after 1,000,000 tries, you still think, yes, I
Can.
got it. Next one, say courage.
Courage.
Again, courage.
You believe in yourself to do anything.
But what if something's really hard and you're scared?
You keep on trying.
You got it. That's courage. And
You
last,
still learn from your mistakes.
that's right, sir. And say humility. Again, Anthony, say humility.
Humility. It's okay. It's okay to stop trying. It's okay to stop trying, but you can just stop for a period of time and then you keep on going.
Humility means you learn a lesson from everything. When you whine and complain, do you learn? No. When you win and you brag, do you learn?
No.
Humility means learning a lesson in everything you do, your wins and your losses, your failures and your successes. So having humility means being willing to learn a lesson from everything. All right, Anthony, last one. Let's see if you can do them all stronger than me. And everyone at home, you try to beat us. Say trust,
Trust.
consistency,
Consistency.
dream,
Dream.
vision,
Vision.
determination,
Determination.
courage,
Courage.
humility.
Humility.
All right, Mr. Anthony and our friends at home, you guys are belief champions. Awesome job today with belief in the universe. Go back and watch the video again so you can use those rules to your life to be a great leader. Anthony, it was a pleasure working with you. For everybody at home, it's a pleasure working with you guys. And we'll see you next week for your next life skill lesson.
Bye.
Bye.
How do I leave this?